The Honda CB 750 was the first of the modern superbikes. First introduced in 1969, it was first aimed at the American market. But with its big bike looks, its new disc brakes, 5-speed transmission and its 125 mph top speed, it soon became very popular in the UK. The Honda CB 125F has been in production since 2008. The fact that it is so easy to ride and the 125 mpg fuel range make it very popular with riding schools and commuters. The Triumph Bonneville T100, a classic motorcycle from the British manufacturer, its superb easy rider looks and yet modern feel turns heads wherever it goes. With a top speed of 110 mph, this legend of the road will give you 348 km range on a full tank at a steady 80 mph. The Ducati 916. Only in production for 4 years, this model was made popular by Carl Fogarty's wins in the World Superbike Championships. This beautiful sports bike has now become a collector's item with a price now starting at £25,000. The Honda Super Cub, first produced in 1958 and is still in production today. In 2017 it sold its 100 millionth bike.